I want to talk about LT wallets. Most of us that will miss Trust Wallet token, which is TWT. So don't miss this one. The LT token, actually, I sent it like a few weeks ago, and some people registered. Some people are unable to register because there are some works that is going on the app. Now, presently, the major issue people have is that they don't know how to set up their account, which I'm going to do that right away. So now there is no way I can log out the way they design it, but now I will go to Google Play Store. The only way to set up new account is to go to Google Play Store and uh, and uninstall this one. They ask me to update it, but I want to do the practical how you can set your wallet up. So that's why I want to uninstall it. So I'm uninstalling it now. So let me pause the video so that it will not be long. Now I've uninstalled it. Now I will install it back. So I don't want the video to be long. Let me just pause it. Now as you can see, it has been installed. So I just install it, and the next thing is to click open. I will click open. So and it's about to open up. It's about to open up. So now this is what we have. Language, you pick, select language, you pick English or any language you want. Now in my own case, I can say restore identity. So because I have account, so it asks me for my private key. So there's something called private key when you are setting it up. It's very important, meaning that if I lose my phone and I get another phone, I want to install it, I need that private key. So you need to keep your private key. But in this case, I want to show you how to set it up. So let me go back. Let me go to create identity. So I click on create identity. I will ask that it should generate private key. Generate private key. So it has generated private key for me. So the next thing is that I will copy the private key and save it somewhere. So let me just put it somewhere here. Let me look for where it is safe. Let me just look for where it's safe. Sorry, so I can paste it here. So that's my private key. It's very important. Then the next thing is that, generate private key, copy private key. The next step, I will click on next step. That's how you are going to do it. I'm going to set up 6 digits pin. So let me just say 6 5 then repeat the pin. uh, mm, mm, mm. So you repeat the pin like that. The code they write here. So I think there's a code here. There's a code. This is the code they are talking about. Can you see? So that's the code. I will input the code. I think what I can see here is 1095. Then I will say confirm. So it has confirmed. Verify the key and password. So they ask me to verify the private key. I will now go to where I put my private key. I copy it. Can you see? But make sure after you set it up, you need to put your private key somewhere. So I will put the private key. Okay, private key down. I will put my password at the top here. Any password I want to use. So I will. Okay, let me use the. Okay. Okay. They say password to create what? So let me use the password. Verify the private key and password to confirm that you have properly backup. So let me still use this, and let me see, will it accept that? Okay, let's clear the, I think the private key will be at the top. They made mistake. The private key should be here, and let me put the password here. Sorry. So that's the, can you see? verify. Good. So I'm done with it. So that's how to set it up. So I just do another one. Then after you set it up, then you are going to click on my profile. You see my profile. This is my profile. Okay, let me just cancel it. My profile at the bottom here beside trade. You click on it. After clicking on it, you are going to click on, I think, invitation. So once you click on invitation, it asks me to bind. It asks me to bind. Then here I will now put the invitation code of the person that invite me. In this case, you will see the invitation code around the video. Around this video, you will see the invitation code. You just put it here and click on bind. Once you click on bind, they are going to give you 10,000 of their coin, and this will be your own invitation code if you want to invite other people. But once you bind with my own code, then they will give you 10,000 worth of their coin. It will show here, and if you refer people, you will be seeing it reflecting. So that is that. Thank you for watching, and keep following this page.